Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to show app menu icon on Samsung Mobile. So as you can see, currently I'm on my Samsung phone home screen and here we can see no app menu icon showing up. Now, to open my app library, I have to swipe to the top like this. Now I'll show you how to add the app menu icon on Samsung home screen. First of all, go to your Android phone settings or Samsung settings and here scroll down and tap on home screen. Here you will find show app screen button on home screen option. So all you have to need just enable this option. And now I'm going to my home screen and here as you can see the app menu icon has been added. So this is how we can show app menu icon on Samsung Mobile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.